Intermittent fasting myths debunked. Hey everybody, I'm James, the Fasting Dad, and earlier today I posted a rant video where I mentioned there's a lot of myths and misconceptions surrounding intermittent fasting. There are a lot of scientists and experts that have gone over a lot of these things. I'm not going to get into too many of those details, but what I am going to do is talk about how these things are true for me in my journey so far. So, number one, it isn't sustainable. I already have a video on this. Yes, it is. Intermittent fasting is easy and you get great results pretty quickly. That's why it's sustainable. Number two, fasting is starvation. I eat a lot. I'm not starving. I just don't eat when you eat sometimes. Number three, you're not going to lose weight because eating boosts your metabolism. And if you're not eating, you're not going to have a high metabolism. No. Eating does boost your metabolism a little bit, but it's really hormones that boost your metabolism. And that same hormone is created while you're fasting. So you actually have a pretty fast metabolism while fasting. Number four, I'll be too hungry. No, you won't be too hungry. At first, maybe you will experience times of hunger. Right now, I don't eat until 2 p.m. and I get hungry around 1:30 every day and I want to eat. But it used to be when I first started, I was getting hungry around 8 o'clock in the morning, then 9 o'clock in the morning. And as I progressed through it and the days went by, I got used to it. And now I'm okay up until about 1:30 up to my 2 o'clock fast. And number five, low energy. People think that when you're fasting, you're just going to be really sluggish and just not move around and just, you can't do anything, you can't concentrate. This isn't true. Your body burns food to get energy, but when there isn't any food, your body burns fat to get that energy. And that's your weight loss. This is what we want to have happen. This is the whole point of our intermittent fasting. So there you have it. Those are 5 myths debunked by me through my personal journey. If you want to know more, click this video right here. And as always, comment down in the comments and leave me a like if you got something out of this video. See you tomorrow.